He's dead.
Fucking hell.
No, Thomas, but he's gone. You know he's 5 years gone.
Yeah, he is a man. He's
Yeah,
dead.
but the green one's not around, is he?
No, we're just reminiscing on childhood.
Yeah, but how has he got an iPhone?
Yeah, Thomas is all about the iPhone, man. He can't
He's
get
not, because he's
Can't
gone.
get enough of Angry Birds.
He's
Thomas.
so pre-iPhone. I love him. I like him because he's pre-iPhone. If you're telling me Green Engine has got an iPhone, I'm gonna go and say, listen, motherfucker, you're pre-iPhone. He is though, isn't he? Am I wrong? I liked him. He's like do 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 do, and you're like, you know what? I should be up at fucking 2 o'clock. Well, no, I shouldn't be waking up at 2 p.m. and watching you. But he's like do 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 do, and like a big smiley face. And the green guy was like semi. He wasn't Thomas. He wasn't blue. Thomas, he's like that. I'm fucking blue and I'm big. An iPhone! I can't believe you said he's got an iPhone. He hasn't got an iPhone.
Yeah, he got an iPhone.
No, he hasn't. It was like 5 years ago.
I was thinking. Being a crazy person.
He was really good at the time because he's like, it doesn't matter what fucking day it is. Do 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 do. And I was like, you know what? I just fucking woke up, but I fucking don't mind you. And it wasn't animation; it was semi-animation.
No, you
So
know
it wasn't
what?
like,
Did you ever have a Hornby train set?
yeah, it was
They
reminiscent.
filmed that.
Yeah,
Filmed the Hornby
Yeah,
train
yeah.
set. That's what's sick about it.
and then with a big smiley face on that shit.
Yeah, just put us-
iPhones are definitely not in the equation. iPhones are fucking ruined that shit. It's like the Wombles had an iPad. You know what it's like saying? It's like saying the Wombles had an iPad. Or the Beatles had a laptop. It doesn't work. You know why?